Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to be back and I have some unboxings that I want to share with you guys. I have my Boxycharm for the month of August and I also have my Yes Oh Yass bag now. It used to come in a box. With that being said, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and like this video, comment, let me know what you guys think about these boxes, if I should keep or cancel. I have canceled to a few boxes already. I will let you guys know in my next video. But let's go ahead and start off with Boxycharm. I know I paused for a little bit. I have opened this and kind of peeked inside. I'm not like crazy about this month, but I mean it's alright. I have my pamphlet here and it has some codes for Laura Lee Los Angeles and for Smashbox. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and use those. Boxycharm is $21 a month and it is one of my favorite subscription boxes. First things first, I see the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I believe if anybody has ever purchased that one-time limited edition box from Boxycharm, this came in the box. This is like a trial size travel. I wasn't a fan of it because I do have very oily skin. I did get an email saying that if I have already received this in a limited edition one, that they would send me another product, kind of like to just compensate for it, I guess. This one retails for $15 to $18, and today's theme, or this month's theme, is Life of the Party. So let's keep it going. Next thing here I see is this NCLA Los Angeles Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I'm not big on cuticle oils. I go to my nail tech a lot and I get acrylics and all that stuff, so I'm not used to using a lot of cuticle oils stuff, whatever. I'll still give it a try though. This one is $18. I also have a quick comment. I believe this month's box was curated by Laura Lee. I think she chose out some of the products. To be honest, she's not my cup of tea. I used to be a big fan of her, but I feel like, you know, money gets to everybody's heads. That's just my opinion. I don't want to seem shady, but that's just how I feel. The next item here is the Bang Beauty, what is this? It just says Bang Beauty in the color Chocolates. Let me go ahead and check out what this is. Chocolate eyeliner, uses an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even a touch-up for your brows. So this retails for $22. This is the outer packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the color. I don't think I will use this for an eyeliner or for an eyeshadow base because the color just, and it was kind of open, like I kind of sealed it a little. It is a very chocolatey color. It is kind of like a light brown. I think I could probably pull this off for my eyebrows. So I think I will be keeping this and trying it out for that. I do love brow pomades, and if this gives me that brow pomade effect, I want to try it. Next thing I see here is actually something I'm very excited. I can already tell I'm going to love this. This is the Smashbox B Legendary Liquid Pigment in the color Crush It. So it is a deep color. It is like a deep berry. This one retails from $21 to $24. So I'm happy I got the liquid lipstick. There was a huge variation on the Smashbox lippies. I saw a spoiler for it. You could either get like a lip palette, lipstick, ombre lip thing, metallic lip. I got a liquid lipstick. I'm very happy about that. I like the top, is very cute. And it is a really pretty color. Let me go ahead and just give it a quick swatch. Doesn't have much of a scent to it. Hardly any. The doe foot applicator looks very interesting. Let's see. Ooh. It feels like more like of a gloss or a satin lip. Does not feel like a matte lip, but that is really pretty. I'm hoping this is matte because when it comes to these kind of colors, I prefer them to be matte formula. So let's see. Let's go ahead and leave the biggest item for last, or smallest. Then we got this Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These retail for $13. Who is texting me? I will get to that later. No one blows up my phone like that. So those are just eye patches that you put under your eyes. They're basic. I like them, but I'm not like, woo, you know. Last thing, where did I put it? The last thing here is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. I've had a couple of friends that have already received their boxes tell me that this isn't like the best palette ever. It's very small, as you guys can see. When I opened it, the colors are gorgeous. Like, they stand out. Let me take the film off. They stand out. They're really nice, but like I said, it's not that I don't like Laura Lee. I mean, just the name Laura Lee Los Angeles, like, I don't think she's even from Los Angeles. I think she's like from, I could lie. I could be lying, like Kentucky or Louisiana. I don't know. But it just throws me off. I want to give you guys 2 swatches just to see how the pigmentation is. I am really, really intrigued in the color Karaoke. They are a little gritty. Okay. Not the most pigmented. Let me go ahead and just give it 2 swatches. Then we're going to do It's a Party, which is like this yellow one. Like a neon green. Oh, this one's actually buttery. They are very vibrant. So it's those 2 right here. And they're not bad. They are a little chalky and gritty when you swatch them. But I feel like these are going to be very buildable. And, you know, I am going to give them a good try. They're good for pops of colors. I don't think you could create a full cohesive look with this. I think you need to pair this with other palettes. So this month, Boxycharm was like in between for me. I feel like I am on the fence about this. I'm not sure if I like it yet. I need to try it. The eye masks were okay. I am happy about this eye or brow product. The primer, the cuticle oil, and the liquid lipstick, I mean, I give this from a 1 to 10 like a 6. This month was not great, but it wasn't the worst. So let's go ahead and get to my Yass box. Our bag. The Yass bag retails for $14.99. I hope I get it right. I am still locked into their old price, which was $12 or $13.99. It does not include shipping. It is plus shipping. So you start paying around $17.50 with shipping. I have skipped quite a couple of months because I haven't been interested in the products, but now I saw some really good things and I'm very excited and I have some good news. So first things first, we have the, ooh, I am dirty, hold on, let me get the pamphlet that they come with. Okay, so this month's theme is Cali Love, August 2018, and it says that the whole retail value of this bag is $94. First things first, I see a Laka & Co. Cloud Lip in the color Cherub. This seems to be a lipstick. We have gotten this before in a Boxycharm, but I think the one I got in Boxycharm was like a really, really vibrant red. And I'm assuming this is a pink. So I am very happy about that. I love me a good pink. Let me go ahead and swatch this right below the liquid lip. Very pigmented and very pretty. It is that one right there. And this one retails for $20. Would I pay $20 for a lipstick? Depends. I don't know. I'm a little bit cheap, but I mean, if it's nice, maybe I would. Next item I see here is a Sourmate Treatment Cosmetics Natural Green Tea Blotting Paper. Yeah, it's just a little packet of blotting paper. This one retails for $12. This is something that I do buy very often because I do have very oily skin. So I do appreciate the fact that they're going ahead and throwing in some blotting paper. I'm not like loving it and I'm not hating it. This is good. This is a good product. Next item here is a face sheet mask from Masquerade. It is the pre-party prep. What's wrong with me? I believe I've gotten this mask in a Tribe Beauty box, and I've also gotten it, I believe, in a Lola Beauty box. I have some info on those boxes in future videos. This one retails for $12. I am not going to use this. I have enough masks as it is right now. This is going to go ahead and go into a giveaway. My 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Support your girl. Subscribe and tell your friends, everybody. Your mama, your sister, your cousins, your friends, everybody to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I don't know. I went ham. Next product here is a brush from Crown Brush. This one retails for $22 and it is an angled contour brush. Let's go ahead and get it open. It looks like this. It has ombre bristles. It is rather long. It's already kind of shedding a little bit, but it is more like for precise contouring. I don't know if I would really use this for contour. I feel like I would probably use this more for like highlight. It's not a terrible brush. It is actually pretty nice. I have to put it to work, but I'm happy we get brushes. I love brushes in any box. Last but not least, we have the Cali set from Beauty Creations. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm just going to let you please believe my word when I tell you that this palette is amazing. I recently bought this one in a makeup blowout sale that came to a city near me. And I bought this and look how beautiful these colors are. I am not going to swatch it or anything, but I just want you guys to see how beautiful the palette is. And I am going to put this in my giveaway as well. I am not going to touch the colors. I'm going to leave it as is. And this is going in the giveaway. I'm going to keep the other one that I have. I haven't even used it that much. I've used it just maybe about 2 or 3 times. And let me tell you, it is pigmented. The stay power is beautiful. And it reminds me a lot of the Modern Renaissance. This one retails for $28. I bought mine for $10 on the blowout sale. But this is an amazing palette. They won this month by adding this. I hope they add more palettes like this in their near future. Going in the giveaway for sure. That is it, you guys, for this video. I unboxed my Yass and my Boxycharm. Yass did very good this month. I am very happy. There is nothing in this box or in this bag that I disliked. I liked everything. I liked my Yass a little bit more than I liked my Boxycharm, but that is just my opinion. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.